Mm. We are smoking. The players you don't like got you out of jail fucking pack. Hold that top groomers, gooners, groomers, facilitators, losers. Hold that. Trossard and Martinelli. Oh, funny. They got you out of jail tonight. Got your manager out of jail tonight. Really cool. Funny that. But now you're going to do the utmost to sit there and make out it was a substitution masterclass. Oh my God, what a tactical change. But you don't like these players. Which one is it, guys? Do you like them? Oh, but we have a squad now. These people ain't got a clue what day they're on, mate. They ain't got a clue what day it is. Anyway, Subtly Reacts. Bless up to everyone who tuned into the watch along. I'll be live after Kenny and Jez's fan cams for an emergency meeting because we need to have a chat about Trossard and Martinelli because the shiny new toy, Nonny Mad Wakey, oh dear. Oh, Zuby Doo, where are you? Because you got found wanting again tonight, mate. Oh dear. Mosquito. Oh dear. But I've been proven wrong on these players real quick. Like literally in fucking a couple of games. I've been found wrong. When these men have never watched these players play football ever in their entire careers. And I do because I watch La Liga every week. Oh, by the way, just to let you know, I did predict Arsenal would win 3-0. And even at half time, if you go back and check the watch along, I was like, I'm sticking with my 3-0 because this lot, I've watched them 30 years, mate. Yes, 30 years after you were floating around your old man's sack. Maybe you should have pulled out and come on the Grand Tetas. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it would have saved us a lot of headache. However, is what it is. Bilbao start quick. They don't finish a wank. And then the second half, they fade. It's almost like I watched the league, isn't it? It's almost like I watched Bilbao. It's almost like I've seen Arsenal play football for nearly 4 decades. It's almost like I've watched Spanish La Liga for nearly 4 decades. Oh, my bad. But Mascara's proven me wrong. Oh, really? Zuby Doo. Mikel Merino. Couldn't wait to sub off Jokeris, though, could he? Oh, but Lee, the substitutions worked. Okay, cool. So are you all going to backtrack on the fact you hate Martinelli and you hate Trossard and they shouldn't be at the football club? Are you all going to backtrack on that? Okay, cool. Do you remember when I said Trossard is our most technically gifted footballer? Oh, Lee, you don't know what you're talking about. How did that pan out tonight, guys? Yeah, but Lee, that's one game. Okay, cool. What about the Community Shield that you all gassed up when he came off the benches? Oh, okay, cool. What about when he had us 8 points clear and he was player of the month in oh, okay, and then Jesus. Oh, okay, cool. Sorry, my bad. Almost like I know what I'm talking about, isn't it? Almost like I know what I'm talking about. But it ain't about all what I am talking about and I'm right and you're wrong and all of this and that. Fact and reality is we won the game. And I predicted we'll win the game because Bilbao are not very good. David Raya, cool, whatever. If Guruzeta had started that game, we'd be 2-0 down at half time, by the way. However, he didn't and we weren't. Timber. He got run ragged at times in that game today. Yeah, and it looked like he was injured. However, he played the game. But at the same time, we've heard him on a podcast before, guys, which we've shared on this channel, saying that he's played with injury in the second leg against PSG. So it wouldn't surprise me if he was injured. Because obviously we have no Benjamin Scheidt anymore because he's getting his eyebrows plucked and he's having a fucking Caribbean 9 minutes on the sunbeds, bruv. You know what I'm saying? He's got to get that while we were tan. You know what I mean? I hear it. But is what it is. Gabriel Magalhaes was probably our best defender today, although Calafiori played all right, to be fair, for the most part. But again, the guy is so rash, it is crazy. Midfield, Declan Rice. Rice, baby. Yeah, that guy got booked early on, and rightly so, and he was lucky he never see a second yellow. However, watching the replay back of that, He wasn't lucky. On another day, he gets a second yellow, and our fans began, oh, it's a conspiracy. Shut up. Nobody cares, mate. Yeah, it's boring. How many times do we have to see the same shit week in, week out, year in, year out, before people realize I'm right? New shiny toys. Anyway, Zibby Zibby Doo, where are you? Because you got run ragged in the first 60, 70 minutes of that game until we took the lead. And then after that, you looked half decent, didn't you? Well, of course you would, because now we're winning the game and we're just going to physically bully everyone, fall over, feign injury. This is what we do. Same old crap. Anyway, Mika Moreno. Oh, dear. Almost like all the Spanish players that we've signed were shit tonight. Funny that. They're playing a Spanish team. Who fucking knew? Oh, it's almost like I knew. Maybe start watching La Liga, guys. Maybe start watching La Liga. Anyway, let's go to Noni Madwakey. Oh dear, oh dear. Runs around 100 miles an hour, gets past his player real quick, and then decides, nah, actually, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to pass it backwards. Has 10 yards of space to run into. If that is Lamine Yamal, even Max Dowman, Ethan, Saka, you have 10 yards of space to run into before you get to the defender, and you decide to take a touch, and his touch was sick. And then you hold the ball, you skip up the pitch, doing a hop, skip, and a jump. You spin around in a circle like fucking Kylie, spinning around, and then you pass it all the way back to Timber. Well done, mate. Well fucking done. Well, yeah, but he made the keeper make a great save. No, he was trying to do a Trivella, and he fouled with the Trivella. That's why it looked like it was going in. He won't aim in for goal, bruv. Let's go to the other side. Eze. The manager was shouting him the whole of the first half down the touchline. Don't cut inside. Why? Why? Why not cut inside? Oh, I'll tell you why. Because Eze is going to deal with it because he's got an 80 grand pay rise. Oh, just coming back to pay rises, by the way. Do you remember all the top gooners and all these fucking puppet journo twats were telling us that Noni Madwakey, that was on 50 grand a week factually at Chelsea, was signing for Arsenal to get game time, and he was signing on 50 grand a week. Do you remember that? Because I will find it, because I'm petty. Guess what? He's on 150 a week, mate. Eze's on 180. Why? You're on 100 grand a week at Palace. Why are we giving you 80 grand more? Make it make fucking sense, lads. Oh, Victor Yokeris. Gabriel Magalhaes thought, yeah, F that. Timber wipes out Odegaard last week. I'll wipe you out. Man couldn't do his hair flicks tonight because he had a fucking headband around him. Couldn't do any of that. This manager could not wait to sub him. However, now looking back in hindsight, oh my God, the substitutions were amazing. They were amazing, guys. What an inspired set of substitutions. Oh, really? Martinelli, you don't want at the club, and Trossard, you don't want at the club. Funny how they performed when they came on, isn't it? Got your manager out of jail yet again. Yeah, that was a dog shit performance. The only positive out of that is we won the game, which I predicted. Other than that, that was dog shit. That was dog shit. If any half-decent manager managed us tonight, with the squad that went there, we wham them 5-6. Because they're not very good, mate. Is what it is. Anyways, nobody fucking cares. Yeah, and it'd be, oh, you're so toxic, you're so negative. Why don't you just be happy we won the game? Cool, well, we beat Man City 5-1. What did that lead to? Beat Real Madrid 5-1. What did that lead to? Weighed in fucking Spurs 3-0 before. What did that lead to? Yeah, seen us beat fucking multiple other teams along the way. What did that lead to? Yeah, stop going off of the latest fucking result for your fucking mental health, you absolute wasters. Now, I said this on my watch long. I'm just going to say it again. Every single country on the planet, Real Madrid have more fans from them countries than Arsenal. So why are Real Madrid not infested with this loser bullshit? Oh, it's almost like it's a mentality from the top. Wake up. Kenny Ken next. Jezza after that. I'm going live on an emergency meeting. But don't worry, guys. I'm on with Potts tomorrow. And Egal is going to tell me that he's always watched Mosquero and he's going to be crazy and he's amazing, he's brilliant. Cool. Name all the games you played. Yeah, name all the games you've watched. You haven't watched any. You watched them on Y Scout, mate. Yeah, type in Lee space reacts space Valencia. Lee space reacts space Spain under 21s. Hold that. Yeah. See you in May, guys. Judge in May. Yeah. You lot always chat too quick. Goodbye. Adios. Ciao. It's a load of bollocks. Goodbye.